My dear student, good evening to everybody. Many people again asking regarding acidic medium, basic medium, how to balance this equation in ion electronic method using either acidic medium or basic medium. Sometimes question they may place H plus that indicates acidic medium, or sometimes they may indicate OH minus that indicates basic medium. If they have not mentioned acidic medium or basic medium, you are supposed to know if they indicate H plus, that is acidic medium. If they indicate OH minus, that is basic medium. Or sometimes they will give balance this equation in acidic medium using ion electronic method. Okay, most important. Oxidation method is important for competitive chemistry, but whereas in case of this type of questions, using ion electronic method is most important for IPE or CBSE exams, most important. First is guarantee question, this either acidic medium or basic medium. I have already uploaded video for basic medium. Again people are asking me to send acidic medium videos, sir. So I am going to give acidic medium. So permanganate ion MnO4 minus, oxalate ion, oxalate. You are supposed to know oxalate ion, permanganate. You know potassium permanganate, KMnO4, K plus MnO4 minus, permanganate ion. Manganese, carbon dioxide, you know very well. Okay, oxalate ion. Here, this is the equation what examiner has given, what question paper setter has given this equation. In first year chemistry, you may have this question may be figured either 14th, 4 marks questions, either 14th or 13th, you may see this question. Stoichiometry 100% guarantee question. If not, empirical formula question. Both are most vital. So please put it. Okay. Here, and this question type asked, first of all you have to calculate the oxidation state of manganese. X, you say manganese oxidation state X, plus 4 into oxygen, 4 into oxygen, how much? Oxygen state minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. You are well vested. Oxygen always minus 2, peroxide minus 1, superoxide minus half. We discussed it. If you want to write if you have any doubt in chemistry, you don't hesitate. You please note this my number 8019156430. You please note this my number. Any student have access to make a call in chemistry. Any doubt, I am ready to clarify. You please note this number 8019156430. X plus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. X 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 7. So in permanganate ion, manganese shows plus 7 oxidation state. Okay. Calculate the carbon oxidation state in oxalate ion. You see, 2 into carbon plus 4 into oxygen always shows minus 2. So minus 2. Some exception cases is equal to, you have to equal the charge. If there is no charge, you have to equal 0. If there is no charge, you have to equal to 0. If there is a charge present on an ion, you have to equal with ion. Here minus 1. Here minus 2. So minus 2. Oxalate, 2 carbons are there. 2 into carbon plus 4 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 carbon, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. 2 carbons minus 2. You can say X or you can say directly carbon, no problem. Here I can say X. There is no need. You can say directly 2 carbons. 2 carbons minus 2 plus 8. 8 into 6. 2 carbons 6. C is nothing but 3. 6 by 2. 6 by 2. This is equal to 3. So here carbon shows 3 oxidation state. Okay. 2 carbons plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 carbons minus 8 is equal to minus 2. 2 carbons minus 2 plus 8, 6. 2 carbons is equal to 6. Carbon is equal to 6 by 2, 3. Okay. Mn plus 2, CO2, carbon. C plus 2 into O. O minus 2. O always shows minus 2 oxidation state. OS means oxidation state. Along oxidation number, you can ON. Okay. O into 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. There is no charge. There is no charge. You must equal to 0. There is a charge minus 1. You have to equal minus 2. Already only manganese plus 2. No problem. So 0. C minus 4 is equal to 0. C is equal to 4. So carbon 4. So your chemistry sir has C2O. 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. C minus 4 is equal to 0. C is equal to 4. Okay. Next. First of all, this is acidic medium. I already told, I already informed you. I already discussed it. H plus means acidic medium. If it is OH minus means basic medium. Okay. H plus. So, after first of all, we have to calculate the oxidation numbers on central ions, that is manganese, that is carbon, other than oxygen and hydrogen, okay. Here manganese 7, here carbon 3, here manganese plus 2, carbon 4. Okay. So I have done one job. What I have done? Calculate the oxidation state on respectable and respected ions, Mn7. So what happened? Mn7 plus 2. Decrease or increase? Decrease. So if oxidation number 7 to 2 decrease, 5 unit decrease, that indicates nothing but reduction. Oxidation number 7 to 2 decreases. If oxidation number decreases, that is said to be reduction. Or again, here there is oxygen, here there is no oxygen. Another definition is there. Removal of oxygen is called reduction. Removal of oxygen, here O4, here there is no oxygen. Adding of oxygen is called oxidation. Removal of oxygen is called reduction. Gaining of electrons is called reduction. Losing of electrons is called oxidation. We already discussed in the previous class. If you have any doubt, you ask me over phone. Okay. Here carbon 3 to, I have mentioned in brackets, 3 to 4. That means oxidation number increases. That is nothing but oxidation. Oxidation number increases. Oxidation number decreases, nothing but reduction. Reduct. Okay. 7 to 2 reduction equation. 3 to 4 oxidation. So I have calculated oxidation number, first point. Second point, I have mentioned where the off reaction undergoes oxidation, where the off reaction undergoes reduction. MnO4 minus converted to Mn plus 2. This is half reduction. This is C2O4, oxalate ion converted to carbon dioxide. This is oxidation of reaction. So in third step, what I am going to do? Increase oxidation, decrease reduction. Please note it. Okay, okay. So I have split two of reactions. One is oxidation, half reaction. Another is reduction of reaction. Okay. So C2O4 2 minus gives CO2. Oxidation. This one. Reduction. MnO4 minus gives Mn plus 2. Oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction. This division of oxidation and reduction carries 1 mark. Please note it. If you have done this up to this, you will get 1 mark. If you identify, you will get half mark in IPE chemistry. Valuation I am telling. Okay. Next one is, you have to balance the main elements, that is central elements, central atoms, except oxygen and hydrogen. You don't go for oxygen, hydrogen. Except hydrogen and oxygen, you have to balance the other atoms. That is, I am going to repeat. Oxygen, hydrogen, except oxygen and hydrogen, you have to identify the remaining atoms. Here 2 carbons, here only 1 carbon. C2O4 2 minus gives, I have balanced 2 CO2. Okay. 2 carbons. Now I don't want to go to oxygen, I don't want to go to hydrogen. I am paying concentration only central atom. Carbon 2. Here only 1. I have mentioned 2. Okay. Mn, manganese, here 1. Okay, no problem. The only thing is, if a reaction undergoes in acidic medium, okay, you please keep these two things in your mind. That is oxygen. If oxygen decreases, oxygen lesses. Where the oxygens are less, where the oxygens are less, you have to add H2O. You have to add H2O. Where the hydrogens are less, you have to add He+. You please note it. Oxygens, where the oxygens are less, you have to add H2O. Please note it, the most important point while calculating this equation, while balancing this equation. Where oxygens are less, we have to add. I have mentioned add H2O. Where hydrogens are less, we have to add H+. Okay. You see, C2O4, here 4 O's are there. Here 2 into 2, 4 O's are there. No problem. Here there is no H, here there is no H, no problem. Very good. Here MnO4 minus Mn plus 2. Here 4 oxygens are there. Here there are no oxygens, sir. What your chemists are explained just before. Oxygens are less. You have to add H2O. Where oxygens are less. Here 4 oxygens are there. Here there is no oxygen. So you have to add H2O. Where the oxygens are less, that side you have to add how many oxygens are? 4 oxygens are there. So you have to add, for each oxygen you have to add 1 H2O. Here 4 oxygens are there, for which to compensate that one you have to add 4 H2O. Okay, okay. Here 4 oxygens are there. Here there is no oxygen. You have to add H2O. Where oxygens are less, where oxygens are deficit, where oxygens are badly need, for which here 4 oxygens are there, here there is no oxygen, I have to add H2O. For 4 oxygens, I have add 4 H2O. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Again, here there is no problem, here there is no oxygens over, there is no hydrogens, no problem. Here oxygens, 2 carbons, 4O, 4O, no problem. Here again you have discussed where hydrogens are less, arrow mark I have downside, that indicates where hydrogens are less, we have to add H plus, H plus. So Mn O4 minus 4 into 2, 8H, this side 8H, left hand there is no hydrogen. So, what I have discussed, what I have explained to you, where hydrogens are less, where hydrogens are less, where hydrogens are deficit, we have to compensate 4 into 2, 8H. So, hydrogens less, we have to add H plus. So, here 4 into 2, 8H. So, I am going to do 8H plus. So 4 into 2, 8H, right hand available. In left hand side, there is no hydrogens are available. To compensate that one, I have add 8H plus 1. Where hydrogens are badly needed, where hydrogens are less, we have to add H plus. 8H, so 8H plus. Okay, okay. So we have finished main atoms. Okay. We have finished oxygens. We have finished hydrogens. Oxygens we have finished. Hydrogens we have finished. 4 oxygens are. We have to add where oxygens are less. So 4 H2O we have added. Again where hydrogens are less. Here 8H. 4 into 2 8H. 8H. Here there are no H. So we have added H plus. 1 hydrogen, 1 H plus, 8 hydrogens, we have added 8 H plus. So you kindly keep in one mind, where oxygens are less, you have to add H2. In acidic medium, where hydrogens are less, we have to add H plus. Hydrogens are less, H plus add. Oxygens are less, add H2. Okay, okay. Next, you complete the charge, balancing the charge. You see 2 minus. Here there are no charge. 2 minus indicates electron gaining. Okay, here I am telling another trick. C2O4. Generally students up to this one no problem. They will do in a befitting manner. But here there is a trouble for the students. By balancing the charge, every student will feel somewhat difficulty. There is nothing difficulty your chemists are telling. You see, here 2 minus. So you must add where negative charge is less. Here 2 negative charge. Here there is no negative charge. So you simply note it. Where you have to add negative charge, where you have to add 2 electrons, where negative charge is less, here there is no negative charge, here there is a negative charge 2 minus. To make it the balance the charge, for which we have added 2 electrons. Here is a trick for it. You please note it. While balancing the negative charge, you simply note it. Where electrons are less, where negative charge is less, we have to add 2 electrons. That side, here there are no electrons, so here 2 electrons are there. 2 minus means Adding electrons means, okay. Okay. Again, I am telling another clue for it. This is the oxidation. Am I correct or not? Oxidation. In oxidation reaction, electron releases, electron loses. That is nothing but oxidation. If electron gaining, that is nothing but reduction. You see, auxiliary ion converted to carbon dioxide and releases to electron. That idea also you kindly keep it in mind. This trick you can use, or auxiliary ion. What is the reaction? Oxidation of reaction. In oxidation of reaction, what? Electron loses, electron releases. That is nothing but oxidation. A species, a molecule of ion, if it releases electron, that is nothing but oxidation. So it releases to electron. So in that aspect also, we can say this is oxidation. What trick I have mentioned? Where negative charges are less, 2 minus, there is no negative charge. For which simply I have added 2 electrons. That is one trick. In oxidation reaction, generally electrons loses, electron releases. So this auxiliary ion converted to carbon dioxide and releases 2 electrons. That also we can compensate it. Here MnO4 minus 8 plus 1 minus cancel 7. Here plus 2. So here another trick. Where if it is a negative, I have given one trick to you. What is that? If it is a negative, where electrons are less, where negative charge is less, I have asked you, I have advised you to add electrons. Here, where positive charge is more, you have to add electrons. Here, how much? 8 plus 1, 7. Here, plus 2. How much difference? 5. 8 plus 1 minus 7 plus. Here 2 plus are there. To compensate that one, how many electrons we have to add? 5 electrons. So simply MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. Am I correct or not? If it is a negative charge, you have to add where negative charge is less, that is 2 electrons. And again, to adjust, this is the reduction. Reduction means gaining of electrons. You see, this left hand side we have added electrons. That is nothing but reduction. So in oxidation, you have simple trick. In oxidation, simply we have to add on right hand side, it is left hand, right side. In reduction oxidation reaction, simply a trick for you. You simply add left hand side electrons. Generally, students will struggle to indicate electrons where we have the left hand or right hand. Again, I am telling you, if it is an oxidation reaction, you blindly add electrons on right hand side. If it is a reduction reaction, you simply add electrons on left hand side. Or where electrons are less, you simply electrons. Here there is no electron, you simply add. Where positive charge is more, here positive charge is more. To compensate that, here 7, here 2, 7 minus 2, 5 electrons you have to add it. So 5 electrons you have added. Okay, 8 plus 1 minus 7, here plus 2, 7 minus 2, 5 electrons losing, 5 electrons gaining you have added. So here there is a somewhat student will face difficulty. To overcome the difficulty, 8 plus minus 7 plus, here plus 2, cancel, 5 electrons are there. Only 5 electrons are there. Plus 2 cancel, 5 electrons are there. 7 plus 2. Plus 2 this come. What happened? Only 5 electrons. So you have to add 5 electrons. This is reduction. Add electrons on left hand side. If it is oxidation, add electrons on right hand side. Okay. Everything is over. Again, another step. You must satisfy the electrons. Here 2 electrons, here 5 electrons. You must balance. So you multiply with 2, you multiply with 5. So what happened? 5 C2O4 2 minus gives 5 into 2 10 CO2 plus 5 into 2 10 electrons. This one, okay. This 2 MnO4 minus plus 16 He plus 10 electrons. I have multiplied 2 MnO4 minus 2 into 8 16 H plus 2 into 10 electron gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 2 into 4 8 H2. Simply multiply all the left hand and right hand with 2. Okay. You simply add equation 1, equation 2. This is 1. Daddy. 2 MnO4 minus 16 He plus 10 electrons gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2 over. Just is simply adding 10 electron cancel. 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 C2O4 2 minus gives plus 16 H plus gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 10 CO2 plus 8 H2. 2 Mn 2 into 4 8 oxygen here, 5 into 4 28 oxygens. You see it, 10 into 2 28 oxygens are okay. H 16 H 8 into 2 hydrogens are okay. Manganese 2 Mn okay. Carbon 5 into 2 10 carbon are okay. This is balanced equation in ion electronic method in acidic medium. So you go through this equation many times, you write it. If you face any doubt, you ask me. I already given my phone number. I wish you all the best. God bless you. You practice it. Many equations you practice it. If you like it, you don't forget to subscribe your chemistry sir. Thank you. All the best. God bless you. Stay home. Stay healthy. Don't go outside without having mask. Mask is the only safety measure to save our lives.